Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a product that's been generating a lot of buzz, the Easy Power Plan. It promises to slash your electricity bills and give you free energy for your home. But before you jump in, let's see if the Easy Power Plan works. What is the Easy Power Plan? The Easy Power Plan is a fantastic DIY guide that walks you through building a system to potentially lower your electricity dependence. It's packed with clear instructions and doesn't require any fancy tools or engineering degrees. Now, let's talk about the exciting benefits. Here's what makes the Easy Power Plan so attractive. Save big on electricity bills. Imagine slashing your electricity costs and becoming less reliant on the grid. The Easy Power Plan empowers you to explore alternative energy sources. Easy to build. This system is designed for everyday people. The guide uses simple, step-by-step instructions with readily available materials. Eco-friendly. By potentially reducing your reliance on traditional energy sources, you can contribute to a greener future. While the Easy Power Plan offers a compelling solution, it's important to manage expectations. It might not eliminate your electricity needs, but it can be a great first step towards energy independence. For those who want to maximize their energy savings and environmental impact, I highly recommend checking out solar panels. They're a fantastic long-term solution for harnessing clean, renewable energy from the sun. Now, for those still interested in trying the Easy Power Plan, I've got some good news. There's a limited time discount available. Just check the description below for the link. The Easy Power Plan is a great option for anyone looking to explore alternative energy solutions or dip their toes into DIY projects. Remember, it's all about taking control and finding ways to potentially lower your energy costs. But don't forget to explore solar options for a truly sustainable future. So, what are you waiting for? Leave a comment below and let me know if you've tried the Easy Power Plan, or if you're considering solar panels. Hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe for more.